Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. 2018 third structure paper discussion is this video. In 2018 third structure paper, you are given these details. The following table presents is a summarized form of incomplete information relevant to the preparation of 3 gases and tests for their identification. Complete the table using words and correct symbols or formulae. Right, so in that case, once you go through the first content, glowing splint lighted. Glowing splint lighted indicates us it is oxygen gas. Correct? So because glowing splint lighted is mentioned here, this should be oxygen gas. Okay, this should be oxygen gas. And what should come here? Adding something dropwise on the manganese dioxide solid. To that place, what should come is a hydrogen peroxide solution. You can write hydrogen peroxide solution or you can write H2O2 aqueous solution. And when oxygen gas is produced, what will be remaining here? So if you consider the composition of H2O2, it will form H2ONO2. So this O2 is already leaving. So they are pointing water is remaining. What else is going to remain there is this manganese dioxide. It's a catalyst. Manganese dioxide is a catalyst. So this catalyst will remain. So in this place, what you have to write is water. Number 2 is manganese dioxide. That is how manganese dioxide you can write in the word or you can write in the formula. Manganese dioxide solid will remain there. That way you can write the answer. The second one, once you go through this, here also, here they have already pointed it is hydrogen gas. So if it is pointed as hydrogen gas, you don't need to think what it is coming here. When you hold a lighted vehicle on the hydrogen gas, it will burn with a pop sound. It will burn with a pop sound. That is your answer, right? Here they have already told you zinc chloride solution is coming. So what is the metal you are using? It is zinc, Zn. And what is the acid you are using? It is hydrochloric acid. Then only the chloride solution will come there. Chloride coming from the hydrochloric acid. So sometimes they can give you zinc sulfate solution. If it is given zinc sulfate solution, there you have to think this is zinc sulfate means this is sulfuric acid. According to the second part, you have to decide what is the acid there. And the third one is also mentioned to you as carbon dioxide. As it is carbon dioxide, to find this, to get this carbon dioxide, they are adding dilute sulfuric acid. Now see, sulfuric acid come, here sulfate come. Sulfuric acid's product will be sulfate. Hydrochloric acid's product will be hydrogen, the chloride will come. Hydrochloric acid you are using mean chloride will come. Sulfuric acid you are using mean sulfate will come. But there's another compound to use here that is decided by this. Magnesium. So it is magnesium carbonate you have to write here. Magnesium carbonate you have to write here. So what is the test you carry out? The test you carry out is passing the gas through colorless lime water, and it will turn to milky white. Okay, it will turn to milky white. So actually, when you continuously pass it, after it turns to milky white, if it continuously pass it, it will again become colorless. But that is not expected by your examiner. Okay, if you can say white, it will turn to white color, that is very sufficient. Okay, milky, white color or milky white, something. Right, so that is how the answer for the third one should come. I have not written any answer, my children. This is 2018 paper. You have the answer scheme. So I'm only giving you a discussion. Okay, if you listen to me, you will pick points in it. Right? And B part, you are given a part of the periodic table, actual symbols are given. Fill in the blank in the following sentences using the elements given in the table. This element with maximum first ionization energy, highest first ionization energy always goes to helium. So helium is there already. So here what should come is helium. Highest electronegativity, that goes to fluorine. Fluorine is the element holding the highest electronegativity. Electronic configuration of magnesium, 2, 8, 2. 2, 8, 2. All of you will write it. The formula of the compound formed by the combination of aluminium and oxygen, aluminium oxide, Al2O3. Al2O3, how to write here? Okay. In the following sentences, select the appropriate word out of the words given within the parentheses and underline it. The bond of the compound formed between hydrogen and chlorine. Remember, hydrogen is a nonmetal. Chlorine is a nonmetal. Between two nonmetals, covalent bond will be created. Between hydrogen and chlorine, there is electronegativity difference. Okay, if you take hydrogen chloride, covalent bond. Why covalent bond? This is a nonmetal, this is also a nonmetal. So between two nonmetals, covalent bond will be created. This one has an electronegativity 3.0. This one has an electronegativity 2.1. So there is an electronegativity difference there. If the electronegativity difference there, it is polar covalent bond created. Covalent bond with electronegativity difference will be polar covalent bond will be created. Okay, and finally, the oxide formed by the combination of aluminium and oxygen will be amphoteric. The one and only oxide in amphoteric form in your syllabus is aluminium oxide. Okay, so this is the discussion of this particular portion. Inshallah, do the next one. In relevant places, I will write, but this particular question, I didn't feel that I want to write. So just I explained you the things. Good luck and goodbye.